Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to turn extensions on or off in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, you'll see the More icon, represented by 3 dots. Click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. Step 4. You will be directed to the Extensions page. Here, click on Manage Extensions. Step 5. To turn on an extension, simply click on it, and the toggle switch will turn blue. Conversely, to turn off an extension, click on it again, and the toggle switch will turn gray. Remember, it's crucial to only turn on extensions that you trust and are familiar with. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to easily manage and control your extensions in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.